There is a very powerful set of development tools available within Google Chrome. These are must-have, easy-to-use tools that can really optimize your web development experience. Within this course, we're going to be introducing you to all of the different features and most popular options that are available and showing you how to use them to really optimize your web development experience. You can do web design, optimize your layout, and freely manipulate the DOM and CSS through Chrome DevTools. Powerful Console provides diagnostic information about your web application, allowing you to really optimize for better performance. Sources can be linked to your local files, and you can update them directly within your Chrome DevTool console. These are just some of the topics that we're going to be covering within this course. Let us introduce you to the power of Chrome DevTools. Let's begin.